Hello and welcome back. So this is the Power Query where we are going to be doing a lot of our data cleaning. It is a very powerful tool that is built on Microsoft Excel. We also have it on in Microsoft Power BI as well, and some other analytics tool. So first thing is that there is no Control Z here. So let us talk a little bit about Power Query. There's no Control Z, redo, undo. What we have here is applied steps. So we have all the steps that we are applying here. You see it is telling me the data source, where it's picking the data from, and it is changing, the data type of the columns. So we can do a lot of transformation here, a lot of data cleaning and all like that. So what we are going to be starting with is to remove duplicate, because if you look through my data, you will see underneath here there are some rows that are captured twice, and I'm going to be removing them. Look at row 152. We have ID2 here, or chocolate. If you come here, ID2 or chocolate is a duplicate. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to click on this column and click on Control A. After Control A, then right click, remove duplicates. After removing duplicates, you see that those columns, those rows are gone. You can see my last item here is 150, which is fine. Then the next cleaning that I'm going to be doing is to remove these two columns, because when I went through the documentation on cargo, I noticed that these two columns are not so important. So I'll be removing them. The important columns are the popularity score and every other column that described each of the food. So I'll right click on this. So I click on calorie, hold my shift, then click on rating, then right click. After I right click, then I remove duplicate. It will remove the two of them. Then the next thing to do is to look through this type column, because this type column, there are some items that are wrongly labeled. For instance, this mulled wine is called snack here. However, it is actually a drink. The same thing for hot cider is also labeled as snack, which is essentially a drink. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to click on this column. I'll come to transform, then I'll click on replace values, click on this small arrow. Whenever you have this small arrow, it means that we have more options in that particular button. So replace value is going to pop up this particular dialog box. Value to find is snack, then replace with drink. Yes, we are replacing it with drink, and that is fine. Click on OK. You see that all the snack have been replaced with drink, which is very fine. So one other thing that I want to also mention is that you see that the way my Power Query displaying could be different from what others could have. What I did is I came to view, then I toggle this mono speed, so this is what we are having normally by default. Then if I click on this, it aligns everything and it gives this particular view. So with that, you come back to home, then you click on close and load. If you click on close and load, you're going to be having two options: close and load or close and load to. So I'm going to be clicking on close and load to, because I want to build this without pivot table, and I don't want this data to be loaded back to Excel for me. I already have the data already. So I'll click on close and load to, and from there we are going to continue in our next video.